Alright guys, so in this video I'll be showing you a tool which is extremely useful for people who do system administration and that kind of stuff, and the people who like to restore hope every now and then. So this is called Ventoy. I hope most people over here have used or heard about Rufus, which can make your USB bootable with a single ISO. But this tool Ventoy take it to another level. You can add up multiple ISOs into a single USB and boot it into each one of them. So let us look how you can download it or make your USB drive bootable using Ventoy in a Unix operating system. Here I'm using Ubuntu for it. So you can see Ventoy has a homepage and their own website, and they have pretty much standard stuff. They have their own documentation on how to do it, but what we'll be doing is go to their GitHub profile. I would say the GitHub page where they have hosted their source code. It is github/ventoy/ventoy, and well, they have provided you the instructions how to build from the source code itself. I think, yeah, here they have given the instructions how to build it. So if you are into it, you can build it from the source code. Well, that takes quite a bit of time and hardware. Instead, we can go to releases and download the executable which is suitable for your operating system. If you're using Linux-based operating system, you should download the tar.dc file, which I am not clicking right now because I already have downloaded. And here I will go to my downloads, and it has quite a lot of downloads. So I think if you hit Ventoy, yes, you can see here I have already downloaded Ventoy. So to decompress the zipped archive, you can either use the GUI application, which is already installed in all Linux-based operating systems. So you can use the command line you can use tar, and then we can use xcf, and then here we can use the tar file. Since I have already done this thing, I will be seeding into that Ventoy folder, and if you look into it, you can see all the stuff over here. So the executable file over here is Ventoy x8664. So we will go into it and run it. There is admin privilege, so it will open up this tiny little window, and here it is showing my attached USB device, which is my SanDisk USB thumb drive, and it's showing it. So you just click install, and when it is completed, you can just go to your file explorer. It should be here, and just copy the ISO file. That is it. That is simple. Here I have Garuda Linux over here copied into my USB thumb drive, and that is it. You can use this pen drive to boot into it and install Garuda Linux. And if you have another operating system with you, say Pop OS, you can copy this thing and you can select which one to boot into, because when you select this particular USB drive, you'll be getting a boot screen of Ventoy, and Ventoy will list the different ISOs into it. So you can select it and boot into it. So this saves a lot of time, a lot of effort, rather than formatting each OS individually into each thumb drive, or erasing the existing hard drive and then installing over it. So this, as something, as a person who would destroy hobs and every now and then, I have found very interesting. So not only interesting, very helpful. So check it out, guys. So it is a completely free and open source tool.